Topics or content that will be trending on Instagram in 2023. Based on trend research results in 2023 which were released directly by Instagram. From the website, Instagram has been released a report on the results of its research for content or topics that will go viral in 2023. And here are topics that are predicted to have a great chance of going viral this year. You can take content ideas from here. 1. Content in multiple formats, such as podcasts. Instagram survey results show that 40% of Gen Z are interested in viewing content in podcast format and want to see a variety of different content formats from their favorite creators. We predict that podcast-style content and packaged in such a way will become a trend this year. 2. Thrifting and DIY clothes. 50% of Gen Z said they would try recycling their own clothes. And 1 in 4 people are interested in learning thrifting clothes from online because it is more environmentally friendly. People are increasingly interested in selling used clothes as an additional income. 3. Culinary from various cultures. 68% of people are interested in culinary or cuisine that comes from various cultures or other countries. Our prediction is that food-themed creators will have a strong appeal in 2023. 4. Skincare and makeup. 2 out of 3 Gen Z said that they are more interested in makeup or tutorials that can protect themselves from changes in the weather such as pollution, UV and others. This will be a prediction for the content idea that will be up in 2023. 5. Music is not in English. More than 50% of people are interested in listening to music from non-English speaking artists, especially the K-pop and Latin genres. Our prediction: local genre songs will become a trend on Instagram. 6. Finance and earn money online. In 2023, it is predicted to experience a recession. Make 85% of people want to learn new skills in 2023 and 1 in 4 people are interested in studying finance. Plus 64% of people who are into social media also have an interest in earning extra money. And because of that, Instagram will launch various features to reward content creators such as gifts and Reels monetization. Thank you for watching this video.